I wanted to do a quick overview of what you can expect from Devtoberfest. Just a little reminder here. First of all, if you come to the SAP community and you go to the groups and you say all groups, you'll be able to navigate to the Devtoberfest group. This is where all the content about Devtoberfest will be available. And if you haven't already, be sure to join this group. Now, I don't see the join button because I've already joined the group, but joining the group is what's going to enter you into the Devtoberfest contest. Now, the other important thing to keep in mind, particularly if you're interested in the contest, is we have the fun game board, and you can track your progress in the contest, how many points you've accumulated. But to run this game board, you have to put your SAP community ID onto the end of the URL. Now, your SAP community ID is not necessarily the same ID that you would see here in the community groups, but instead, when you come to the community home, you can click your little icon in the upper corner and click on Manage My Account. That will take you to this people.sap.com URL. And this is where you can find your community ID. It's right here in the header, or it's listed here under username, or it's probably here in the URL itself. That's the ID that you're going to want to take and put onto the end of the URL of the game board. And that will show you how you're progressing in the contest. Now, do keep in mind, if you have just joined the Devtoberfest community, registered for the event, there's a batch load to load these records into, to assign the badges and give you your initial registration points. There can be a little delay in showing up in the game board, but don't worry, all your points are still being accumulated. You'll see them retroactively once your registration is processed, and you can see them in the game board.